this delicious restaurant, but right now before delicious restaurant we've got this amazing view right on the ocean here, guys.
Mac and cheese.
Amazing
I want mac and
food.
cheese.
Karan's restaurant.
I want mac and cheese beer.
That's cooked.
Can I have mac and cheese?
And for the kids,
Okay, I'm having mac and cheese.
young travelers,
What is $12?
little whale watchers. All right, guys, here we have some lettuce wraps with tofu instead of chicken,
What would he do?
cauliflower wings, and we are digging into this miso chowder. It looks beautiful, isn't it?
It's like clam chowder with a hint of miso in it.
Amazing. All right, guys, part 2 of our meal. We've got some fish tacos,
And now we're just going to eat.
and we've got this flat.
They're all connected together, Dad.
We had prosciutto on the side. We didn't want prosciutto right on the top.
Oh.
Do you want one?
This one looks really good.
I wish
It
I
has
could
some
eat food.
special
Have you ever ate
onions,
something before?
tomatoes, Asiago cheese.
Oh, there's another one in there.
Oh yeah, there's another of these.
Have one on me.
But it has onions.
Hi guys, we are in beautiful Yuki and Tofino, exploring it today and next couple days, and we are going to share with you all the amazing treats that we are going to enjoy on Vancouver Island, so stay tuned. Alright, now after fueling our bodies here at Zoe's Bakery Cafe, we are going to go to Tofino for lunch, TACOFINO, and for dinner I want to share with you what you can have at Karan's restaurant, which is in Black Rock Resort. So if you are in a mood for some upscale food, you can check out Karan's. The views are amazing, but with the food I would say that it's very average and actually not so great. With the tofu, I found that it was dry, not as succulent. We have had better lettuce wraps elsewhere. Fish tacos were underwhelming as well. Flatbread was okay. The cauliflower wings were oily, and chowder was amazing though. So miso chowder is something I would definitely recommend. Cauliflower wings not so much, too oily. Lettuce wraps, again, maybe chicken wraps are better. And let's see what else you can have. Of course, it's holiday, so
Hi.
my little guy here has decided that he wants a Rice Krispie square. Well, we could have made it and bought it, but he is digging into this big sugary treat for fueling his body.
That's the muffin. This is
Some coffees and mocha, some pastries. I definitely want to dig into this thing. What's in there?
I need some sugar, buddy. Drink some sugar. And a stick.
Here we have this custard-filled pastry with some berries. So for some sweet treats, you can definitely check out Zoe's Cafe. Alright guys, another cool place you can check out, I would definitely recommend, is this place called Vayu or Yayu Plant-Based Cafe, and it's right next to Zoe's. It looks pretty good. plant-based cafe, locally sourced produce. You can probably sit outside and eat on a beautiful day. They have smoothie bowls, they have lunch items, they are open 9 to 3. Definitely thinking of checking it out tomorrow for breakfast. Alright, now I'm in the lineup. Let's see how these tacos are.
Any food?
Alright guys, after a long wait, we've got our food here. Fish
Oh,
tacos,
these two
tuna
are-
tacos, grinjas. There's a
Freezing
pork
today.
kimchi one.
It's so cold today.
Food looks amazing. Let us try it and then we will let you know how it was. This one is refried beans.
You know, I like fried beans.
What's yours? We're starting with the kimchi one, hey?
Coffee.
Yeah.
Tuna maybe? So I'm eating the vegan buns.
Yeah, so if you're vegan, they have options.
How's yours?
I've got a fried.
It's fried, hey? You like fried stuff.
It's very cheesy.
A beautiful setting. Sitting in a shade here. Enjoying some tacos. We are headed to the beach after. You're having a good time.
And then tomorrow early in the morning, we're going to get ready. And I'm eating the fish taco. It's loaded with stuff.
Same with this one, hey? This is loaded too. So the difference between black bean was black bean had cheese. This is vegan. It doesn't have cheese, but it's loaded with like
I think that's black.
guacamole, onions, black beans, lettuce. Wow. Fully loaded for $4.50. It's a good deal. 2 or 3 of these, yeah, sufficient. I think we ordered too much food, but
Not
so
really.
tasty.
So, I am eating tacos with me. No, I ate my taco already. Yeah. How is it?
Tell us about your fish taco. How was it?
Awesome. I had 2. I ate my sister's taco, and then my sister had to eat a fish taco, and then I had just a fish taco.
Did you like the pork one, the first one? Did you like that?
Yeah.
What about this fish taco? Did you like that one?
I like the fish taco better.
You like the fish taco better?
Especially when you feed me.
I like the pork taco better. It's cheesy inside. It's like a fried taco with cheese and pork and tomatoes.
And how was fish taco?
Fish taco was good. The fish is fried. And there's tomatoes and cabbage, and it actually has lots of sauce, so that's nice. I like sauce.
And it's so good.
Yeah,
And we love
Daddy said the
tacos.
tuna taco was the best because it had ginger and lots of flavor.
I don't like ginger, it's too spicy.
It's good? Yeah? What kind is that, Ria?
This is fish.
Fish, and this looks like
Tuna.
tuna. Wow.
And then that's black bean. One of them is black bean.
That's how a good taco is done compared to last night. Okay guys, so now we are trying this place called SOBO because it was highly recommended to us by a bunch of locals. Let's see how it works out.
You have anything outside?
We can sit in, we can sit out. Here is outside, folks. Or we can go in. Where would you sit? Let's go in and see.
Why is he saying
All right, so we are starting with some drinks here. We've got
Root beer and orange creamsicle.
I'm having root beer.
It's a hot day, so I
No.
think this makes sense.
It's a share.
No,
Should I order for myself, right? So I'm going to share with you.
it's just not.
I'm getting oysters.
Isn't that delicious?
Oysters?
Yes.
They're $6 each.
No, I don't want raw.
I'm saying that's how they're made.
This is the drink of the day, guys. So good. Orange creamsicle, orange cream, daredevil. It's fantastic. Guys, that is mushroom filled tofu pocket. Interesting. I haven't had that
A little
before.
bit spicy.
And
Smell
that
dill, right?
is
That dill?
salmon
That's
chowder.
That's that herb right there. It's called dill.
Omi is going to
What,
try
you wanna do
it
it
and
me
tell
first?
us how is that.
I'll show you some. Let's eat it first.
Did you see how you said ukulele?
So good.
Ucluelet.
Yeah.
It is incredible. Can you see this sour,
I'll taste test it.
not sour, cornbread? Fabulous.
I'm gonna taste test it for them. So these are scallops, and I'm gonna try it for them. Ready?
Yeah.
So I have it. It's good. I've never had scallops before, so I don't know what it's supposed to be like, but it's good.
And that's our vegetarian plate. Halloumi cheese, falafel balls, some salad.
Is this butter?
Incredible.
Yeah.
Hi guys, we're at choclatefino here, and we got ice cream. I got a mint flake,
And I got summer strawberry. They're super good.
How is it?
It's super good. It's minty. It's flaky. It's like so yummy.
How's the summer strawberry?
Good.
Is it the best you've ever had for strawberry?
Probably not.
Where else is better?
I don't know. Good.
That's eggs Benny Florentine. So it has tomatoes, avocado,
I can make 2 sandwiches broader.
hash.
Can you?
We also have some French toast here, fruits, berry compo, and some classic eggs, bacon toast.
Sandwich.
And this is croquet madame.
Can I say hi?
Hey guys, another beautiful West Coast day, and we are enjoying some delicious breakfast here at Karan's restaurant in Black Rock Resort. So here's what I ordered.